The fox takes flight, Star Fox and his crew, drunk in the night. With lasers blazing, they wreak havoc high. In the drunken stupor, reaching for the sky. Rampaging through galaxies, no control in sight. Destroying everything in the drunken flight. Enemies tremble as they approach here. In their drunkenness haze, there's nothing to fear. Fox of the stars, wild and free. In the universe, there's no decree. Drunk with power, they roll afar. Star Fox and his crew, the cosmic stars, rampaging chaos. Their destiny, in the vastness of space, they roam free. Star Fox the leader, lost in his rage. His friends beside him, trapped in their cage. They fight and they brawl in their intoxicated state, leaving chaos and destruction in their way. In the quest for glory, they lost their way. In a galaxy of madness, fell forever astray. Stars bear witness to their drunken spree, as they soar through the cosmos wild and free. Fox of the stars, wild and free. In the universe, there's no decree. Drunk with power, they roam afar. Star Fox and his crew, the cosmic stars, rampaging chaos. Their destiny, in the vastness of space, they roam free. Star Fox the leader, lost in his rage. His friends beside him, trapped in their cage. They fight and they brawl in their intoxicated state, leaving chaos and destruction in their way. In the quest for glory, they lost their way. In a galaxy of madness, fell forever astray. The stars bear witness to that drunken spree, as they soar through the cosmos wild and free. Fox of the stars, wild and free. In the universe, there's no decree. Drunk with power, they roam